how to create a new project in Visual Studio Code. So as you may know, Visual Studio Code does not have an exact button that says new project or something like that. And the way to do it is to simply deal with the project or consider the project as a folder. So for example, you can right click anywhere you want to create your project, create a folder, and you can call it my project, for example, my project one. And then you want to right click on this folder and open with code, or you can open up Visual Studio Code directly and you can basically open your folder here. For example, click on open folder and navigate to your folder, my project one, select folder, and this should open up the folder in your Visual Studio Code. And then you can basically start adding files and folders to your project. So for example, you might have, or you might want to add a new file. You can click on new file here, or you can click on file, new file, or new folder if you want to add folders. In this case, I might add a file and call it, for example, index or something like that if you want to build a web app. So you can right click new file and index.html or something like that. And you can also right click and create specific Java files or folders. So for example, CSS here, and you can have CSS files inside this directory. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful. See you on the next one.